ITTAHO, swivel design. Press the button to change the position of window squeegee, enabling you to clean right up to width of the glass and the curved edge. A desired spring cleaning tool for odd-shaped windows, ideal for cleaning glass, windows, shower, glass doors, wall, mirrors, vehicle glass, solar panel, indoor and outdoor, high window cleaning, marine and boat squeegee, purpose window washer, handheld squeegee, and microfiber, scrubber separately, natural rubber blade, and special artwork of rubber. Provide you streak-free and squeak-free 12-inch squeegee included. Different size of squeegee for both small and wide glass cleaning. The squeegee will effortlessly wipe away dirt and grime when combining with clean water and window glass cleaner. Convenient. Design make cleaning easier. 1 daily window cleaning tools for every family. 53-inch stainless steel pole. Desired household window washing kit with 3-section of extension poles. You can adjust the length according to your needs. Durable and sturdy stainless steel for hard cleaning work. All-purpose squeegee for auto, car windshield glass, household high. Window cleaning, indoor and outdoor cleaning window washing squeegee package. 1 by 12-inch squeegee. 2 by 11-inch microfiber scrubber. 3-section of extension pole. ITTAHO, color box packaging. The best gift for father, mother, women and men. ITTAHO, excellent customer service. We ITTAHO Cleaning Supplies are committed to meeting customer demands to supply high-quality products. Please feel free to contact us at any time if you have any problem, suggestion, and request with ITTAHO products. We will reply you within 24 hours.